Hello everybody and welcome to ATC Thursday. Right, I have 3 bases here and I'm going to do some monochromatic ATCs today. Now, normally people think of monochromatic, they think of black and white, and we are going to do a black and white, but we're also going to do a black and green and a black and yellow. So that still goes in the monochromatic because it's just 2 colours. I found these butterflies in my stash. Now, I don't know where they're from. I don't know what I bought them for. Maybe it's just for my stash. And as you know, I'm trying to use up or utilize a lot of the stuff that's in my stash. So I saw those and thought, okay, we'll give that a try. I've glued 2 together. So I've literally got, some I've got 2 the same, some I've got 2 different ones, a larger and a bigger one. And I put some glue in the body portion. And then I'm gluing that straight onto another one. If I can pick this up. Wait, come here, you. Come here. I need to do the same thing with this blue-green. I don't even remember buying these. But I'm trying to reduce how much stuff I have. Okay, glue those together, and what we're going to do is I'm going to do them all with you on camera. We're going to get some flowers, so I'm going to go into my May. I have these all set as spring because I think they kind of lean towards spring more than anything else. And I'm trying to look for some flowers to go around the edges. One of my favourite things to use around the edge of the cards. Okay, so probably that one, maybe that one. Okay, and I have this one here, which is Flower Power. This one is Garden Party, and this one is Sorry. So I think I'm going to use Sorry on the monochromatic black and white one. I'm going to use the dandelions. If I can get it out, there we go. I'm going to use the VersaFine Onyx Black. We're going to stamp on and off the page. Okay, so that's that. And then using the butterflies, and the reason why I glued 2 of them together is because I want to lift the wings up of the top one. Oh, I didn't glue that one. Or if I did, I didn't leave it long enough to dry. So let me put that one back together. Okay, let me get hold of this one. I'm just going to, this our glitter glue doesn't seem to want to, I think it's because these have like a film over the top, so I may have to use hot glue. Okay, let me get my hot glue going, crafters. I don't think they're paper, I think they're plastic. I think that's part of the issue. So while I've got my hot glue warming up to the side, let's move on to one of the other ones. So I'm going to turn this piece of paper over, and I'm going to get my ink blending tool, which I get from Shell Ratcliffe. I'll leave her Etsy store link below. I absolutely love Cliff's handmade tools. So this is squeezed lemonade. I'm going to colour my background, my ATC background. And the same thing with the green, and that is shabby shutters. And I think I'm going to use some of the stamps from here. May even use some of the leaves as well. Again, using the VersaFine. Then on the green one, I think I'm going to use this flower power. Okay, let's hot glue these together. They must be made out of some sort of plastic, because the art glitter works on almost everything. Okay, so lifting those up and hot gluing this down onto the white, black and white. Let's do the blue-green. Okay, let's put them on our backers, and I'm going to call these ones done. You can put sentiments on them if you wish. On this occasion I don't think I'm going to. And just so you know, May does do a stamp which I will use on the back of all these ATCs I'm making. I'll leave a link for the ATC backer stamp below. So thank you very much again for joining me today, and you'll see me again next week for ATC Thursday. Bye now.